The question says which bond angle would result in the maximum dipole moment for the triatomic molecule YXY is there. YXY. Okay, so something we have to write, this is X, it is Y, and it is Y is there. Bond angle, let's say it is 90. Then based on that we can have 120 also. I can extend it like this, and 180 is there, 150 is there, and 90 degrees is there. Okay. You might have learned about the factors affecting dipole moment, and one of the factors you might have learned about the bond angle. Okay. Always keep in mind dipole moment is inversely proportional to bond angle theta. Okay. As the bond angle increases, dipole moment decreases, or bond angle decreases, dipole moment increases. Okay. So smaller the bond angle, higher is the dipole moment, higher is the polarity. Okay. So we need a maximum dipole moment, so bond angle should be a smaller one. So out of these you can see which one is the smaller. 90 degrees there, 90 degree. Smaller the bond angle, maximum is the dipole moment. Option A is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.